Well, I'm here at the kennel, and it's on a hillside here with a beautiful view of the rolling valleys and that around us. And these little puppies have a hillside to roam around free, get lots of exercise, running uphill, downhill, wrestling with each other. It's really great to see. They're, oh gosh, they're way down here now. They are all over the hillside. They're down there now roaming around. Truly adventurous pups. They have a huge area here to roam around it. Looks like some of them are used to using the elevated dog bed like I have at home already. Well, that's great. Be something I can take along. Pack up easy. Yeah, one of these guys is going to have quite the life. There's a group of them down there under that tree, just wrestling, rolling around, having a great time. Must be one of their favorite locations on this hill here in this field. About 3 of them, maybe 4 down there, just frolicking with each other, rolling around, just enjoying life. It's great to see him having a good time. Oh, tackle. I got here this morning and met the owner. Was introduced to the parents and the puppies. And I've spent a good part of the entire day with the pups, walking around the property with them, following me and me interacting with them. And tomorrow morning, I make my decision. And it's a decision that I do not make lightly. I am about to embark on a 14-year commitment, and that is something I take very seriously. So, as you can see, I've got my little kennel, soft-sided pop-up kennel, all set up here. The top opens. It's got a mesh zipper on it, like the sides here. And it's got zippers on 3 sides. Of course, this is the back where the little treat bag is and stuff. But all of them, I can roll up the mesh, Velcro it down, and the pup can go in and out of any opening that I choose to have open. I have the top open, so I can push it up to the front seat and keep the pet, keep Ember calm and collective as we're traveling. I also have the setup on the passenger seat with the big cushion in it, and I can take that cushion out and make it deeper and put in, I've got fiber towels to put in there, be nice and soft. And it also has hooks that I can attach to the collar to keep Ember in the pen, sitting next to me as we drive down the road if I choose. So I've already got some options here that I can exercise on our trip home. Let Ember get used to the RV, to the ride, places we stop. And it's going to be interesting having a 8-week-old puppy again. So I'm excited to see the changes in her. I'm excited to see how she progresses to 10 weeks and beyond. Whoa, it's been a long ride today. We left McCoy, Colorado after I made my final choice. The Ember was given her 8-week-old puppy shot. We drove all the way. We're just outside of Billings, Montana. And I pulled into a Love's truck stop. They have a really nice dog run pen here out in the grassy area, and put her in the small one and let her run around and play in the tall grass, and now she's exploring the inside of the RV. She's done really well. I've been extremely happy with her. She's just a real trooper. So we're gonna make it home in 2 more days. Once I get up here on I-90 going west, I know this road pretty well, so I know where to pull off and how far I can go. And we'll be home in 2 days. Then she'll get to know all about her new house. But she's an inquisitive little cutie. Who is that? Who is that little cutie? Ember? No, you don't want to go down there, silly. Oh, I gotta get some videos of both of us in here on our ride home. I put some nuggets in the kennel there. She goes in, gets a couple, chews on them, comes back out and plays around. Hey, don't go chewing on everything. Come here. You're such a cutie. She's getting used to her little lightweight leather collar, but it's not causing her any pain. She's just getting used to the feeling of it. Yeah, we left McCoy, Colorado 8 a.m. and it's 7:15 p.m. and we're just outside of Billings, Montana. I wanted to make it this far because then we can take our time going home, heading west on I-90. Because from Billings west, I know the I-90 really well. Traveled many times. So we're just gonna take our time going home from here. Take 2 easy days. You're just so angelic. She's just a little love button, aren't you? Yes, you're just a little love button. 8 weeks old. She's got sharp teeth. She's not teething yet. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't chew on me. No. What? What, you a leopard? You're gonna pounce? Huh? This is how Ember sleeps when we're cruising down the freeway. She always has her head up, propped in some way where she can just crack open an eye, make sure I'm still there. Yeah, she's been really good driving back home in her little comfy place. It's worked out really well for her. Right now we're heading across eastern Washington rather than go up to Ellensburg and take I-90 west through that nightmarish traffic. I'm going to cut off down here on Interstate 82 and go up through Yakima around the east side of Mount Rainier and home the way I started this trip. Much more scenic than the insanity of I-90 cutting off on the Auburn exit to Highway 18, which is one of the most dangerous highways on this entire state. And they're doing construction on it, which even makes it worse. So, we ought to be home early this afternoon, and then I can introduce Ember to her brand new surroundings. And I'm looking forward to that. Well, after getting home and letting her explore the house, she's gone up and down the stairs and all over almost every room already. She's run outside. I've introduced her to the kennels out back. She's gone in and out of those. She's been running. She runs almost as fast as me. I have to be careful I don't step on her because she can pass me by. But I think after, let me see, about 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of non-stop activity. I think maybe she's conked out for a few hours so I can get some things done. Oh, she's a doll. I'm so happy to have her. So blessed. Okay, well, while she sleeps, I better get this house in order for the night and this coming week. Gotta go meet our main vet here in town and get her checked out and records started on her and get everything in line. It's so nice being retired. I have all my time to dedicate to my girl. It's Sunday evening and Ember is having a great time playing with her toys. She is just having a great time. Great time. What do you got there? What do you got, Ember? Oh, you can almost jump up here, can't you? Okay. I got the critter. I got the critter. Hey. Oh my gosh. When she wakes up from a nap, she is totally energized.